Welcome all. I hope you are marvelous. This is Mr. Behra. I welcome you all for my YouTube channel, Mr. Behra English Club. After I have introduced this channel, even I enjoyed a lot. Anyway, at the starting, I told English embellish you. So, as it embellish you, and I relish. So, that is why I clear to make you all to relish in English language. So, here, especially, I'm here to do. I'm here to share what made me a confident public speaker. So, what made me to speak English before all the members with a confidence? Here, I'm telling you, I'm not a perfect English speaker, but what the things that I have learned, I can speak with confidence. So, that is what in this video I'm going to share with you what made me a confident English speaker. So, especially to become a fluent speaker or to become perfect in the communication skills, so speaking English is important, and speaking English is not at all important. First, I'm telling you, speak English with confidence is important. That is far most important thing comparing with other things. If we don't have confidence, okay, though we are able to speak, if we don't have confidence, by the environment we will be affected. So there itself we put a full stop to our speaking. And there the very next itself, from within our throat, there will be a bass. So that is what must be confident. So I'm telling you, to be a confident one, what do you have to do? First thing is practice. And the second thing is practice. As well as the third thing also, nothing but practice. Practice, practice, practice. We generally heard, there is a hair saying, what is that? Practice makes man perfect. Isn't it? Yes. Only practice makes perfect. Even here, I'm really proud to tell. Here, though I have come from Telugu medium background, I have been educated in the government sector. Here, what made me to speak English very confidently? That is, I never ever mind about the people, those who stood before me, those who are going to stand before me. And I never ever thought of the environment that I'm going to have. So if we don't think it, automatically we can speak what we want to speak. So here, even I'm telling you, so when I was speaking with different kinds of people in different situations in different places, I was put some comments like, hey, your English is not good, please shut your mouth. Really, I received this compliment and a comment. And someone says, yes, your English is good. So here, as I've been going through different kinds of live sessions in the Facebook, I have interacted with different parts of the world like Morocco, Nepal, Bangladesh, Odisha, and Dubai. So different people, as I have interacted, some people say that. Some people say, yes, it's perfect. And some people say that your confidence is good. And especially, I have received a comment from one eminent. Actually, I happened to meet him when I have attended capacity building program which has been organized by the CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education. So it's a workshop. During that workshop, I happened to meet Mr. Jay Simha. So he's a principal of one of the CBSE schools, well-known renowned CBSE schools in Kakinada, I think. I don't know particularly. He has commented me, Shankar, yes, your confidence is very good, but you need to work out at your spoken. See, I'm telling you, have you remembered this one? So here, I am to work for my spoken. But here, he has appreciated me by my confidence, by seeing my confidence. Yes. So here, if we able to speak with something confidently, here, though we speak wrong, though we speak, though we do some mistakes, those mistakes will be, wiped off. It's not a problem. So those will be wiped it off. There is no doubt at all. So that is what I'm telling you. Confidence is very important. So how can we get the confidence? So confidence can be acquired, when we interact with the people more time. Okay, here at the starting, I used to have a fear. Okay, if I face a non-negative or a native English speaker, can I face him? So then I tried and I tried to interact with them. So I knew one of my Facebook friend, Patrick Slatter. is from America. Right, I have interacted with him and I used to talk with him via video call and audio calls. So then I got I acquired confidence. Yes, I can face even a native speaker. So here, if we do such a practice, automatically we can improve our confidence. And moreover, especially, one more thing, if we do some kind of hard work in terms of books, even bookish knowledge is also very important. So here I'm telling you, here as I'm able to speak means definitely it's bookish knowledge, especially bookish knowledge. And the second thing is, here I myself decided not to scared, not to get feared, and not to, by seeing other people, or not to make myself to stop somewhere. So as a result, I moved, and as a result, what I have been today as a Mr. Behera. So that is what I'm encouraging you all. Just be confident and try to speak, whether it is wrong or right. That's not at all matter. That doesn't matter actually. Here I'm telling you, it's my personal experience. When I started my teaching career, at the initial, I don't know what is English actually. Actually, the English itself, I don't know actually. But by that moment, I taught English, and now when I recall the earlier days, oh my God, really, I would have made a mistake and I would have deceived, betrayed them. It's not such kind of terms. Yes, in terms of education, we must say like that. Because here, during those days, here I was not pointed out because my confidence, here, whether wrong or right, I used to teach with a very loud voice. And I used to speak with the children, parents, and even management, but very confident. Yes, here once or twice, I was pointed out, hey, Mr. Behera, you have taught this, and is it correct way? So I used to give a reply to them like this. Okay, sir, is it wrong, sir? Yeah, if it is wrong, definitely. I'll learn and I'll teach. So here, as I spoke with them like that, so then as a result, I was able to get their confidence on me. So though I'm not able to teach the English subject, so I was allowed. So finally, I'm able to teach something in a perfect and appropriate and according way. So that is what I'm telling you all. Just be confident, and to improve your communication skills, to improve your spoken English skills, to improve, your we can say your identity. Just only one thing is nothing but just you should not get scared. Whoever the people are going to stand before you, speak with confidence. So I'm telling you, though you speak wrong, I'm telling you, definitely you will be appreciated. Here, appreciation in the sense, I'm not talking about we need to speak about the appreciation. And we will be boosted ourselves. To move forward. So definitely we can move ahead. So if we do like that. So that is what. Please sign into my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share my channel with other people. As I have come. So in generally we heard local talent has to be encouraged. Yes, I'm one of the local. So let me get your support by extending your everlasting support by subscribing and sharing, liking with other people. So thank you all for your kind listening. Thank you all.